Nice day off?
Yeah, just kick back.
You're easy.
I'm pretty simple. Weather around here getting a little complicated, though.
Yeah.
We're going to take a look at chopper flying over the city of Milwaukee there. Always, I love the skyline of Milwaukee. Things looking pretty nice there, but temperature cooler here, right?
Much cooler because of that cloud cover and those northeast winds. And by the way, no ties, by the way, right?
No ties.
No ties?
No ties for Father's Day. Come on.
Just bow ties.
It is trending. Let's take a look at what's going on with our weather on a serious note. Things are really starting to heat up quickly. This is Viper HD. You can see we do have some scattered showers just to the south of Milwaukee. Downpours of rain now moving into Washington County, Fond du Lac, making their way out of Dodge. Nothing severe there. These are just heavy downpours, and this is going to be the case throughout the evening hours tonight. We are going to see these heavy downpours around the region, and with that, we have a slight risk of seeing some severe thunderstorms around the region as well. Like this severe thunderstorm warning now making its way to Prairie du Chien and moving to the east. And yes, where the bullseye has been now for the last 2 days, there is a severe thunderstorm that is producing or has the potential for producing a tornado. There is a tornado warning now for DeKalb as this is moving off to the northeast. The more storms that we start seeing down in Illinois, the even better chance that we don't see much in the way of severe weather, because these will take away the energy and the moisture here in southeastern Wisconsin. With all that said, we had the tornado watch until 9 o'clock for Jefferson and Walworth, and still do, and just issued now from the Storms Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma, a severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. for the rest of southeastern Wisconsin because of these storms popping up like the one up in Fond du Lac. I mean, there is some small hail with this. You can have some winds, and just in case some of these storms get a little bit stronger and become severe, we want you to be prepared. So that watch has been issued once again until 1 a.m. for all of southeastern Wisconsin. The tornado watch continues to be southwest of Milwaukee. We are under the slight risk. We have been for 2 days now, and that happens, you know, pretty much every day. There is a slight risk area in the country for severe weather. When you start to see the moderate risk, like we have for the past couple of days for Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, it gets your attention. Like in Oklahoma City, they had the moderate risk both times when they had the tornado outbreak. To see a high risk, which was issued just before the noon hour today, that's extremely rare. Maybe once or twice a season across the United States, and today it happens to be northern Illinois and Indiana, and that is exactly where we're starting to see those huge thunderstorms popping up. And that is why that has been the focus for the past several days. The warm front right about here, 68 in Milwaukee, 85 Chicago, 95 St. Louis, and on top of that, they have a lot more moisture. Yeah, we have some dampness in the air with dew points in the 60s, but we're talking tropical air in northern Illinois and Iowa, and this is the region, and even into Indianapolis. This is why this is the area that has been the bullseye for the past couple of days. The cloud cover for today has kept us cooler, as has the northeasterly winds. We're starting to see a little bit of sunshine here, but it's a little too late, almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But we still have that threat of seeing some small hail or some strong winds as those storms do blow on through. 63 is the current temperature. Northeast wind is at 7. But my gut says the main threat still here in southeastern Wisconsin, heavy downpours. 1 to 2 inches of rain could be across most of the region. And then as you get closer to the state line, maybe some isolated 3-inch amounts with those bigger storms. Tomorrow, much quieter. Sunshine, low humidity, northeast winds, and highs near 70 degrees, a little bit warmer inland. There's your storm system. The focal point, once again, just to the south of us, but we could see some stray, isolated, severe storms over the next several hours. 56 degrees with storms early, heavy rain also likely, and then clearing overnight. Mostly sunny for tomorrow, and 70 degrees here in Milwaukee, a little bit cooler right at the lakefront. 7-day forecast, 68 for Friday, 71 on Saturday, 77 Sunday. Both days have a chance for some pop-up showers or thunderstorms, and nothing like we're seeing this afternoon. We'll keep an eye on the radar, you guys.
All right. Positively Milwaukee.